Hey, what's up? It's that guy Zach, and welcome back. Alright, today we got a review from Sonic. Today we're going to review the popcorn chicken. So, let's take a look at that. So, when you take it out of the bag, it looks like this, the popcorn chicken. And we got the tots. I ate a couple of the tots. Tots are so good, I can't wait on that. But yeah, I got the signature sauce. You know, Sonic signature sauce. I've had that sauce once before. It's really good. And they gave me salsa. They said sorry for the wait, and they gave me some salsa. Sonic salsa. So I guess we'll try that out. They gave me 2 packs of that. So we got a little bit of salt and pepper at the bottom of the bag. Oh, they just gave me salt. That's all they gave me this time, was just salt. So we're gonna use this. Oh wait, we got pepper right here. Pepper. Alright, so we're gonna add some salt to the... I'm gonna add some salt to the tots. And then some pepper. And then we'll get into this review. Alright, that's it. So let's get into this review. Let's open up the sauce, and I'll show y'all what the sauce looks like. When I first had the sauce, I was like, I bet you the sauce looks like what the color on the lid is. And it is. Sauce looks like that. And I really like this sauce, you know. I really like it. I've only had it once before, like I said. But I really like the sauce. So how do I explain how the sauce is? Oh. I can finally, you know, pin it down, you know, pinpoint it, what it tastes like. It's kind of like honey mustard. But it has a little bit of spice to it. So, alright. Like a honey mustard sauce, but it has a little bit of spice to it. It takes a new spin on a honey mustard sauce. Alright, so how's the popcorn chicken? Crispy. Pretty hot. Not really hot, but you know, it's hot. It's like almost warm, but it's not warm. It's a little bit above that. It's kind of hot. But not really. It's like borderline almost warm temperature. I mean, it's fresh. And it's not like the chicken's dry or anything. Here's a bigger one. Tots, alright? Tots. You know, I guess I'll say something about these. Just in case you're viewing and you never had them before. Tots, they're like a fry, but they're way better. I don't know how to explain it much other than that. To me, it tastes like eating a fry, but you know, a little bit more in your bite when you eat it than you would get in one fry. So let's get on to the ratings. The popcorn chicken. Alright, it looks like this. Now, we're going to try it with sauce, and then we'll rate the chicken. The chicken, alright? How is it? Like I said, fresh, you know, in the middle of hot and warm temperature. Not dry at all. You know, it has a little bit of crunch to it. So I'm gonna give that a 7.5 out of 10. It could be a little bit hotter, but you know, for the most part, it was good. The tots. Now, I'm not really reviewing the tots. I'm just reviewing the popcorn chicken, but we're eating the tots as well. So, the tots, and they always get a solid 8 out of 10. Overall rating on the popcorn chicken, 7.5 out of 10. Alright guys, we got 2 more pieces left. Let's finish that up here on the video. And that's it, guys. Stay tuned for more reviews on my channel. I'm going to try and do more reviews. More food reviews. And if you like this one, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And see y'all in the next one.